Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside with Black Dog Salvage, and it's time for the Daily Paint Dog. And I'm here in the paint studio with Swooze Hudson.
Hello.
And we're going to show you the colors for March. And what we're seeing here is Swooze is calling them the Waters of March. And she says it's a song. She had to get a rendition of the girl from Ipanema.
No, I'm not going to do that
Oh,
to
come
you.
on.
I'm not going to do that. But if you go to our website and go to the blog, there's a link to the song and listen to it while you view this particular palette. This palette was developed to show you how you can tone down a color. Spring creeps in, the color of spring creeps in, and then it just all blows up.
So what you're telling me is that we're in the dulls of winter.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, of course, I'm kind of muted right now myself. I'm ready for some springtime.
Me too. And so I'm slowly introducing the color. And what this shows you is that if you add gray to a color, it's going to tone it down and make it really subtle and soothing. A lot of people make the mistake of adding black to a color to tone it down. And in actuality, they're making a shade of that color and they're darkening it. You add white to create a tint, and you add a color's opposite to dull it. So
gotcha.
Here I'm just toning it down. We have Baja Blue, think tropical waters. Seersucker Blue, it just reminds me of men's and little boys' seersucker suits at Easter.
For Easter, there you
Yeah. Celadon, one of my favorite ceramic glazes. Goldenrod. This is artichoke, and then we have silt. And when you look at them, when I played with them on the table here and putting together different combinations, they all work. They just work together beautifully. So here is the Waters of March. Just a little bit of color, soothing and subtle as we work our way into spring.
God, soothing and subtle. Okay, so I'm still got the tone of the girl from Ipanema, and it's a Brazilian thing. So dun, 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 dun. Okay.
There you go.
All right, everybody, y'all take care of yourself, and come find us at blackdogsalvage.com or furniturepaint.com.
Or furniture paint.
Let's get some of this in your palette.
There you go.
See ya.
Happy spring.